Hi! Welcome back to my channel. It is very nearly Christmas time and I am so excited. Just quickly before I start, I'm sorry if in this introduction the lighting is all off, but it's quite late now. It's not late, but it's so late that the light outside isn't there anymore. So I've got an artificial light on, but it's making everything a bit yellow and it's making my eyebrows go a different colour. So who knows? But today, I love Santa and I am going to be doing my festive room tour, and it's been highly requested, and of course I'm going to do one because I bloody love Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year. I love autumn winter, I love the chilliness, I love the coziness. So I'm going to show you today my room tour, Christmas edition. If you want to see my room tour when it's not Christmasified, then I will leave my original room tour below so you can see where things are from if you haven't seen that already. But I'm just going to do a little festive room tour and just show you little snippets of a Christmas touch.